using sample superstore subset Excel file using order sheet, get the product subcategory wise running totals for all the years and find the bottom third product subcategory in terms of sales. So by reading the question, it's clear that they have instructed to use the running total for all the years and find the bottom third. So let's try to get the solution for this. Excel file is loaded here. Now let's move to the solution. Product subcategory, put product subcategory on the rows, order date on the columns, and sales on the text. Now let's put the running total and let's now make it in the descending order. Now we can see all the data is in the descending order and it is bringing the data as per the running total across the years. We can see by checking here it's table across, and since it is in the already descending order, so we can notice that this is the third category, which is the from the bottom. So scissors, rulers and trim is the lowest category, which has the lowest running total from the bottom third. So this was the requirement asked in the question. Thank you very much.